This is the Yara perfume. Okay, so let's open her up. Starting off with the Yara, pop up the notes and everything, the chords here. The main accords are sweet, vanilla and powdery. Then it goes into tropical, fruity, floral, musky, all the way down to woody. So the top notes are Heliotrope, Orchid and Tangerine. The middle notes are tropical fruits, Gourmand, Accord, and the base notes are vanilla, musk and sandalwood. So I'm new to the world of fragrance, so I'm not too familiar with these terms. Yo, that is very sweet. So I'm just going to let that set a bit. So the top notes, yes, the initial notes are very sweet.
Pineapple, coconut.
Pineapple and coconut. As it's drying down. Oh, Jason's standing here and smelling it with me. Like, I don't know, I can't explain it. It's very sweet. Like, as you smell it, it smells like coconuts and pineapple, fruity, tropical. But then it goes into a very deep, woody scent. The base notes you can smell are vanilla, musk, and sandalwood. That's absolutely lovely. Ne?
I like it.
That's really nice. So this one's very sweet, soft, feminine, very light, very soft, very delicious. So go to the next video if you want to see my thoughts on the Lattafa Fakhar, and then I'm going to see how they wear together. Delicious. As you spritz it, it's very tropical, but then the dry down is more, yeah, vanilla, musky, sandalwood. But it's delicious. Really, this is so nice. And look how stunning this bottle is, and it's huge. So the price for this is, I think, 500 Rand. So if you're looking for something that is juicy, light, fresh, feminine and sweet, then this is most definitely the fragrance for you.